It is being told that Sony Xperia 1.4 can be launched in March 2022. Talking about its network, 4G, 5G network has been given in it. Also, it has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The smartphone features a 6.5-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen display, features a screen resolution of 1644 x 3840 pixels, 21:9 ratio, and pixel density of 643 ppi, and is powered by Android 11, the smartphone operating system. Talking about the camera of this smartphone, then it has a quad 12MP plus 12MP plus 12MP plus 0.3MP rear as well as an 8MP front camera. The Sony Xperia 1.4 smartphone is powered by Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon, is expected to release 865 chipsets, along with an octa-core CPU, 4000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery with fast battery charging option. Talking about the connectivity of this phone, then Mbps, 5G, GPRS, Bluetooth 5.1, A2DP, aptX HD, LE, USB Type-C 3.1 with GPS feature, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, USB on the go is included.